My dear student, how are you? Hopefully you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. We know that our school has closed for COVID-19. Every student has many lost classes. So Bangladesh government arranged online classes. I attend my online class. I will try to online class. Welcome to online class. My name প্রথম থেকে ওটা তো হয়েছে পারভিন I am a assistant teacher of Shimanto Girls High School. Assistant teacher. I will take a class English second paper. I will discuss grammar tense sentence. Now I am discussing about sentence. Dear student, do you know how many kinds of sentence? I know that sentence there are 5 kinds. Welcome to back my online class. Dear student, do you know how many kinds of sentence? I know that everybody knowing that sentence is 5 kinds. There are 5 kinds, such as number 1. As number 1, sentence sentence are 5 divided. Such as number 1, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Dear student, write down on your khata 5 sentence. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence, do you know what is assertive sentence? But what do you mean by assertive sentence? I know that you assertive sentence, what do you know? Do you know what is interrogative sentence? What do you mean interrogative sentence? Please, you can say that. I know that you can say that. Assertive sentence, assertive sentence mean I am a student. That is assertive sentence, right? Do you know what is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence, such as what is your name? Where do you live in? What do you do? Where do you live in? What is your roll number? What do you read in class? That is interrogative sentence, right? Next, imperative sentence. Dear students, do you know what is imperative sentence? What do you mean by imperative sentence? Can you say that? I know that you can say that. Thank you very much. Imperative sentence is such as give me a glass of water, give me a book. Class session. Do you know, my dear student, do you know what is imperative sentence? What do you mean by imperative sentence? I know that you can say that. Imperative sentence such as please give me a pen, give me a book, please give me a glass of water. That is imperative sentence. Thank you. You have done well. You have good spoken. Thank you very much. Next, exclamatory. My dear students, do you know what is exclamatory sentence? What do you mean by exclamatory sentence? I know that what is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, such as, oh, we have won the game. Alas, I am undone. That is exclamatory sentence. Now you can say that. Example, please give me an example. Exclamatory sentence, you will give a Example, exclamatory sentence. I know that you can say that, but you write down exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. I am a student. Student. That's fine. I am a student. That is assertive sentence. You have any question to me? I always problem solve this. You have no question to me. Thank you very much. Next, interrogative sentence. What is your name? What is your name? Right. What is your name? What do you live in? What do you do? What is your roll number? That is interrogative sentence. Everybody, you have understood what is interrogative sentence. Imperative sentence. Now I am discussing about imperative sentence. My dear students, do you know what is imperative sentence? What do you imperative sentence? I know that you can say that that is imperative sentence. But who is imperative sentence? You identify. I know that you identify. Please. Please give me a pen. That is imperative sentence. Next, optative sentence. Dear students, do you know what is imperative sentence? What do you mean by optative sentence? I know that you can say that what is imperative optative sentence. But do you know who is optative sentence? You have told. I know that you have told. May live long our Bangladesh. Our Bangladesh. That's very fine. May live long our Bangladesh. May live long our president. May you be happy. May you be prosper in life. That is optative sentence. Exclamatory sentence. My dear students, what is exclamatory sentence? What do you mean by exclamatory sentence? I know that you can say that. What is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence means, alas, I am undone. Wow, we have won the game. Dear students, I know that you have write down on your khata exclamatory sentence, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Five kinds sentence. You have no question to me. You have any question to me? I always solve your problem. You have no question to me. Thank you very much. Do you know, dear student, how many divided of sentence? I know that there are 5 kinds, such as number 1, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence. There are 5 kinds. And today's is my class is end here. I am also fine. I hope that you are well. My class is end here. Thank you very much. Next time, see you again. All the best.